Hello and welcome to the International Certificate in Intergenerational Practice. My name's Alison and I'm going to take you around the platform and give you a few hints and tips on how to move around easily, I'm hoping. First of all, you'll have received your emails today if you were not a member of JWT's platform, and hopefully this is a page that you'll have landed on. It's the same page that I'm showing you here. The first task I'd like you to do is to go into your profile and update your profile. Click on the Edit Profile button and then add in your name, your email address. Some of that information might already be on, but you would be looking to put some information in the description. And I would also ask if everybody could put in a picture. It's always very nice to be able to picture the person you're talking to when it's online, because online can feel quite unfriendly at times. So I would encourage you to stick up a picture. Please go through this page and put in the information that you feel comfortable with. You don't have to complete it all, but some of the basics is really nice for people to be able to come and see your profile. Once you've finished, update your profile. You'll be able to then review what you've written in your profile, and as you go through, if you've done any of the JWT website courses, the free courses that are online, you'll see that you can gain your badges as well at the bottom. That's all detailed there. Once you're happy with the profile, I would then encourage you to go back to the dashboard, click on ICIP, and then that's you ready to get started. Now, I would take the next 3 days to just get to know the platform. So have a read through your introduction, which is the welcome, which has got 4 different sections there. So you can go in and you can watch the videos from each of the tutors, and the 7 tutors in total that's involved in ICIP. Learn about the history, about setting the scene, about the course and what's all involved. And if you miss the online Zoom session that's been held on the very first day of the course, you can come back here and watch the video that's been put up on the course about how to get around the Moodle platform. Take your 3 days. Once you've went through your introduction during the 3 days, I would then go on and have a look at the course library. There is so much to see in the course library. There's reading, there's publications, there's toolkits. You'll see some of them here. There's about 3 or 4 different pages. Obviously you can't see them all because I've not got this on the full screen, but you can read about intergenerational programs. You can check out some of our partners, some of our colleagues from across the world, some detail on their information there. There's further reading, and then there's also a section on films as well, that you can go and watch some films, and these are from all over the world, the films that are in the library. So please go and have a look. The Course Cafe is throughout the whole duration of the course that you will be asked to contribute at least twice to the Course Cafe. Now obviously there'll be nothing here at this present moment in time, but it would be good for you to get involved in the Course Cafe, and remember to keep checking it and have a look at what everybody puts up as you're journeying through the course. Once you've successfully had a look, you feel comfortable with the platform, had a look at the course library, went through the introduction, then you're ready for module 1, and you're able to just click on that and it will take you through each section. Now, when you do finish all of the sections, and you'll see here that there's 5 lessons and then there's an evaluation. The evaluation in this, the final activity is your final session. You will not be able to progress to module 2 until you've actually finished the final activity, submitted it, and it has to be submitted on a PDF or a Word document. So there's no writing straight onto the platform. So you'll be working off a Word document, and then once you're happy with that, then you can upload it as your final assignment. You will then hear back from your tutor, who will get back to you within 3 to 4 days. We will try and get back to you as soon as we possibly can, but everybody works full time, and all of our expert tutors are extremely busy, so please do give them at least 3 to 4 days to be able to give their reflections back. So once you've handed in your final activity, you've received your feedback, you will then have automatically completed Module 1, and Module 2 will then appear and you'll be able to go on to Module 2. Now, you can't see that at the moment because obviously I'm just at the start of this process, the same as yourselves, but you will be able to see Module 2 and Module 3 will pop up on your left-hand side. If you would like to have a look at the course content for all 3 modules before you're going through, you can then look at the PDFs and you can go in, you can print these out so that you've got a hard copy as well. So those are all available from the very first day. I would turn your attention to the completion progress bar because that will help you monitor where you are and if there's a section that you've missed and you've not been able to go on to the next section, you'll be able to come back to the completion bar and then be able to find out where it is that you need to go back in. And if you click it, it should take you to the page that you still have to complete. So that should be a real aid to you as you go through the course. The forums, there's a down underneath activities, you'll be able to see the forum. So if you want to check up on the tutor forum, there's a tutor forum where we can put messages, and when we're doing the online thematic sessions, the tutors will come on to this section of the forum and add any messages to all the students, and that will go out to everybody. That will be sent by email to you. So please do keep an eye on the tutor announcements. The learning forums, there's 3 in the learning forums. The course cafe is the only one that you can see at the moment because you've not got to Module 2. And when Module 2 comes, you'll be able to see the activity and the planning forum, which you will automatically come through as you work through Module 2. But please do come back and check these sections. Okay, so let's go back to the homepage and just have a look at the bottom of the page. As you're working your way through, you can either use this banner with your list of sections, or you can follow the different banners here. As you progress on to each module, you'll see Module 2, Module 3, and then the final assessment will come up on your dashboard there as well. The last thing I'd like to say is about the course content. So I mentioned at the beginning, but it's just a refresher that if you do want to be able to see the course, remember that you can actually download each of the modules in PDF. Everybody that's on the course has access to the GWT website. I would encourage you all to go and check it out. Check out the local networks. There might be some online thematic network meetings that you maybe want to visit and take part in during your time in the course. But please, one of the tips that I would give you is please stay in touch with your tutor. If there's any technical problems, please get in touch with Bella Kerr, whose email will be circulated in the original email, so you'll be able to get Bella's email address from there, but it's just bella@generationsworkingtogether.org. But stay in touch with us. I wish you all the very best on the course. I look forward to seeing how you progress. I really do hope you enjoy it, and yeah, I look forward to speaking to you soon. Thank you very much.